with a fully loaded skid steer bucket. What you don't want to happen is this, or this. Featuring the best shock absorption of any tire on the market, SUPERFLEX TyrFil transfers the lowest G-force shock to the equipment and operator. We performed a side-by-side comparison of 3 tires: solid aperture tires, pneumatic tires, and tires filled with SUPERFLEX TyrFil, and then measured G-forces on a test course of 4x6 blocks of lumber. First, the solid aperture tires. Watch the skid steer closely for recovery and handling as it comes off the 4x6s. A really bumpy ride. This is what's known in the industry as solid shock. Let's look at pneumatic tires. The recovery and handling is not as bad as solid aperture. However, there's still that pneumatic bounce. Less G-force than solid aperture. But without SUPERFLEX TyrFil inside, they can still experience punctures that can cause expensive downtime and repair cost. Now check out SUPERFLEX TyrFil. The skid steer rides even smoother than on pneumatic tires, proving with SUPERFLEX TyrFil, it's what's inside that counts. SUPERFLEX TyrFil not only absorbs more impact than a pneumatic tire, but it also avoids that solid shock associated with solid aperture tires. As a result, SUPERFLEX TyrFil improves the ride, improves traction, provides a constant footprint, reduces driver injury, and significantly reduces vehicle damage. Plus, no flat tires. No other tire flat-proofing technology has been approved by as many OEMs. Only SUPERFLEX TyrFil can eliminate that solid shock and reduce wear and tear on equipment and operator. TyrFil, because it's what's inside that counts.